So now we'll be doing sum number 2 from NCERT, which is on page number 6. Okay, sum number 2. Now in this they have mentioned, they have said a hexagonal prism of base side 30 and height 70. Hexagonal prism, base is how much? 30 and axis height is 70, is resting on its face on HP. Now they are saying resting on its face on HP. See what I'm doing? I'm writing in different lines, so you will know what you have to make meaning out of it. Resting on its face on HP with two of its base are parallel to VP. With two bases are, this is parallel to vertical plane. Okay, and then the isometric projection will be drawn as under. Okay, so we have to draw isometric projection of this. So again, what we need to do first we need to draw isometric scale and helping diagram. Now if you see, in this case the hexagonal prism is resting on its face, so, and resting on its face on HP. We know HP VP is like this, right? This is horizontal plane, this is vertical plane, and hexagonal prism is resting on it. So it is resting like this way. So this is what when they say that it is resting on its face, that means it is resting on that rectangular face. See, if you see hexagonal prism, it is this way. So this is that face, right, on HP with two bases are parallel to VP. See, so what it means, two bases? That means this hexagon shape, this hexagon, I'm just drawing it dark. So these two hexagons are parallel to VP, right? These two are parallel to VP. So this is what we need to draw, and observer is watching it from here. So when you see from here, you will see hexagon, and when you see from the top, you will see rectangle. Now how we should draw? First we should draw isometric scale. So you should always have a habit of doing it. You draw horizontal line, then you draw 30 degrees, then you draw 45 degree, right? And then you draw, this is 70. So from here I will take 70, this way it will be. I'm not doing any naming or anything detailed work, which you can do. Okay, this way we will draw isometric scale, because we are drawing isometric projection. This you can write 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. This 10, this 10 you divide into 10 parts, 0 to 10. This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. This is what we required, the lower one. Now I have to mark 30. So I can take from here to here 30, or from 20 to 10. See, both will be same, right? So I can either take this or this. So that 30 and 70. 70 is from here to here. This entire thing is 70. So that way we can take distance. So see, as I told you last time, if this is 30, this will be 60. So if I really want to show somebody 30 and 70, it will be this way. See this. This is 30, this is 70. This is just for your understanding. This is 30, I'll write this. And this is 70. Got it? So you will know. Either you can take this or this, whatever you want. Now we have to draw a helping figure. So if I want to draw a helping figure, then I'll draw one horizontal line. Now I have to take 30. So I will take this 30, the one which is there on 30 degree. I will take this 30. I will cut it here. So this is how you draw hexagon. This is the easiest way. You cut arc on both the sides, draw a circle. Then from here you cut here, cut here. See this way. Then I will draw a vertical line. See, the one more thing what we can do, we know that these 2 points will be in straight. See, there's slight error. So if you know this concept that if this is our horizontal line, right? So this horizontal line, then the upper horizontal line, it should be in one line. Got it? And this should be passing through the center. Yeah, that is correct. So we got hexagon. So once you know all these things, you should make sure that you are doing it properly. Mine won't be that much accurate because I'm not doing it at my usual place. I'm doing it somewhere else. So it's quite far. But okay, we'll manage. So this is how I will draw hexagon. I can show how much is this side? 30. After drawing this 30, what I need to do, I have to convert this into a box. 1, 2, 3, 4. Always remember, I will always convert into a box. So as I said last time, this is A, B, C, D, E, F. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? And in top view, you know. See, this is front view. In front view, you will get hexagon. In top view, you will have this kind of a shape. So I'm not drawing that. I'm just drawing this much. Okay, I'm just doing it for your reference. 30 star. I have taken this 30. I haven't taken original 30. I have taken ISO 30. Now I have to draw isometric. Right? I have to draw it like this because it is resting on its face. It is horizontal. It is kept like this. It is not vertical. It is horizontal. Right? So when you see, so I'll draw a line like this. Then I will draw, see, this way, this way. Now I need to mark 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 will come here. See this, 1 is over here. What I'll do now, I'll take 1 to 2. Always remember, you should always mark 1, 2, 3, 4. That means main box, 1, 2. And how much is 1 to 4? This much. See, 1 to 2 and 1 to 4 won't be same. Just remember that. In this case, it is not same. So I got 2 and I got 4. Now what should I do? Draw a line from here. Draw a line from here. So you get 3. And you draw a line from here. Now how much is this width? They have given, right? 70. So I will take this distance and I will cut here. See this. So I got okay. Now what I need to do? I need to mark 1 to F. I'll cut 1 to F. 2 to C. Same. Right? Then I know 2 to B. So I'll cut 2 to B. Then I'll cut 1 to A. 1 to A. Same with 4 to E. 4 to E. And same 3 to D. So 3 to D. So we are done with this hexagon. What I need to do? I need to join. So I got hexagon like this. Okay, now I have to take all these points behind. How much I have to go behind? 70. So this I can say that this is 70. This much is 70. Here when I project this much is 70. Only problem is when I project this, I don't know how much is 70. So I'll draw and again I'll take 70. See this 60 plus 10, 70. And I'll cut on it. Got it? So this you join. This is how you will get. Got it? So we are done with hexagon. We can show direction of viewing. Observer is watching it from here. Right? This is O. This is 30 degree. Now we need to show axis. So axis is here. So for this axis, I said M and N. See, what I'll do, I will keep this naming constant. So it will be easier for you to remember. This is M and this distance from here to here, it is N. Right? So I have to mark M and N. For axis, what I'll do, I will take 1 to this distance. Let's say this is P. 1 to this. I'll cut over here. This is P. 1 to P. Cut here. Then you draw a vertical line. And now, what you do? Sorry. You take N. This distance. And from P, you cut here. So you get O. Axis, we generally write OM. So we got O. Again, I'll take this point O behind. How much it will go behind? 70. So I will take 70. And I'll cut over it. Got it? So by this way, sorry. So I got this. And now I can show this way. See this wherever it. So you can show. So we are done with this. Only thing we need to give dimensions. So you can give dimensions. This is 70. And this is 30. So I can show here also. Wherever you have space, you can show dimension. This is 30. But remember, what I have taken is isometric distance. That you can cross check. This is 30. But it won't be 30. It will be somewhere around 24 something, 24, 25 in between. Right? So we are done with this sum. Any doubt up till now? Any doubt, anyone? And